checkbox is white. So that is a little bit confusing. So
Yeah, let me check it.
I
What
made
I would suggest is make
that
it. Go
checkbox
ahead. What do you think?
white. So if I click on it, it will be like green.
Green. Yeah, let me check. What?
On the green one, yeah.
Yeah, so what I would say for that, well, can you make it circles? Oh, it's here. It's this. Okay.
Yeah.
No, never mind.
I can add border radius. Yeah.
What I would say for this, and yeah, add a little border radius, and also when it's not checked, right, when it's white, remove the check mark. So it's just a white box. Because right now it looks like it's checked, even though it's white and it turns green. Like for me, I thought that they were all checked before.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I will do
Yeah,
that.
so just make it white without the checkbox and make it so you can uncheck it.
Okay.
And then that's it. And then it's good. I'm just gonna put it back into selected for development. Okay. All right.
Another thing I was working on, it was for BD Nationwide.
The site optimizations.
Yeah. So
Okay.
I connected with Logan, and
Sure.
he said to push all of the code to live. So I worked on it. I don't have the task right now because I marked it to QA. So yeah, so I didn't, I couldn't mark it to QA again. So yeah, but I worked on that also.
Okay. All right. I'll take a look at it.
Okay. Can I leave early so I can finish
Work
the?
on. Yeah. Go ahead. That's fine.
Okay, thank
Yeah.
you, everyone.
Sure.
Enjoy your day. Yeah, and talk to you later.
Okay. How's it going, Habib and Shamanta?
Hey, doing good. How are you?
You're good.
Awesome.
All right. You want to show me what you have, Shamanta?
Yes, I can show you. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, of course.
In HubSpot, right, having trouble with their CSS classes and the sections. I don't know how to design anyway. So let me show you. So we had no this double button here. I added it today. After that, but after adding this, it creates some issue of removing backgrounds. But after refreshing the page, it will be fixed. That's not a problem. But if I look at the front end of this page, you see, these flags actually we had a flex, display flex here and some other CSSs, but these are gone somehow. And here it should be this section is fine, and we are following the same section here and here, but it's not working like this. I don't know what happened after adding these two buttons in this page, and the similar kind of issues on the other pages too. Uh, yeah,
Okay.
you can see, right? So yeah, there you can see the same. Sorry. So yeah, I have been doing one task and facing another one and fixing it, and again having another one, right? So
Yeah.
yeah, that's the issue with the administrative project, and especially with the HubSpot maybe. So after adding these two buttons to all the pages, I think I need some time to spend that why these problems been happening and how can I improve, or how can I reduce the time so that we don't face this kind of issues in the future, right? To figure it out right after the meeting.
I would say connect with Sharav because Sharav just did a page. He just did a roll on in HubSpot in one day, right? And that's how this is supposed to be going. You're supposed to be getting at least a page done a day, you know, and especially these pages, they're just copy and paste, right? You're doing one page and then just copying different content over to another page.
Yeah.
So we need these pages to be moving faster. I understand HubSpot is a little difficult to work with. So I was just connected with Sharab or even Habib. I think he just started using HubSpot and maybe he doesn't know, but we can't be stuck on pages like this for weeks, you know? Like you've been working on this since last Wednesday and it's almost a week now.
Yeah. Actually, before that, with the tactical part suite, so I fully focused on the tactical part suite, but right now,
Yeah, that's true. Okay, that's true.
that's true. But it will be fixed by next 2 to 3 hours for sure, because it's been a long time getting
Okay.
going.
All right. Yeah, like I said, if you need worst case scenario, try to connect with Sharab.
Okay, all right.
Okay. Habib, how are you doing?
Yes, I'm well. What about you?
I'm good. I'm good. How is work going? What are you working on?
Yeah, nothing special, but you sent me again. Yes, I already fixed the padding problem, and I'm fixing
Okay.
right now the title.
Yeah.
Before title,
Yeah.
something quotation or bracket. But I'll fix it.
Okay.
Maybe I need to take
Yeah.
it again. And I have a small question to you about the
Sure.
menu. So the
Yeah.
design is okay, or we need it canvas type menu? Is it okay?
I don't know yet. Right now, I
Okay,
think
but
it looks okay to me, but I'm going to ask Tom
yeah,
soon
yeah.
as
I
well.
just added the blog pages URL.
Yeah.
That's it. Nothing special. And I'm fixing within. We have some problem. You already assigned me. I will fix it within 20 minutes.
Okay.
I'll submit it. That's it
Okay.
for today.
Yep. Yeah. I mean, there's not much work that came in. Right. I have those things that you have to redo. Even Sharab doesn't have a lot of work.
Yeah,
So if anything, I mean, Shamanta, maybe Habib could try to help you with this as well. 'Cause, I mean, we don't have any other work that's new coming in. So at the moment,
Understand? Okay, it's not problem.
definitely.
I'm
Let's
always
see.
ready
yeah,
for new work. If we get it, then we'll start. It's not problem.
yeah,
We'll wait for it, the new work.
yep. Yeah, but we just gotta. Sometimes we gotta get moving on these projects a little quicker, you know. Or maybe not quicker, but we have to recheck our work, right? Because there's things. It's not just you two. I send things back to Sharav as well,
Yeah.
like that we don't check. Like for instance, the fonts on one of the tactical pursuits pages, right? I sent it back to you, Shamanta. Maybe I could give that to Habib because it'll take 2 seconds to do. It won't take long, but
Okay.
yeah,
How do you find out?
yeah. And you just keep working on Main Street design. Um, but look, so on this shop page at the bottom here, right? This is not the right font. These aren't the same fonts that we have. If I come here now,
Yeah.
so just looking who has what work left. Now I go to. Sorry, give me a sec. right? So if I look here at the section, these fonts are completely different, right? Different colors, and it's a different font than what it actually is here, right? So these are like little issues that we run into that we really can't be running into. You know, like it's simple if you just look, right? You just have to double check your work as well. Yes, I know it's my job as well to double check, but at the same time, it's like if I send the page back, right? Like, for example, this page, I sent back for this, right? It was missing the arrow yesterday. It has it now, but it's missing the arrow, right? So we put in the arrow, but then it's like we don't double check, right? You put in the arrow, but then you didn't check everything else again, right? Because this was wrong. And then, for example, I did one for you as well, Habib. Which one was it? It was Central Coast, right? So then yesterday I sent this back because, right, there was an issue with this.
Yeah.
Right. So I sent that back for the issue with this, but then there's also this.
Yeah, I'll fix.
Yeah.
Already I am doing.
No, I understand you're gonna fix it. I'm just saying, like, make sure we check our work. You know, like I know it's my job to check your work as well.
I did it for 2 times, but no idea why again it coming. But I will delete all title and I will put it again.
Don't worry about it. It's okay. Like it's not that big of a problem. I'm just saying for the future, make sure you guys double check your work when I'm sending things back, right? For one thing, I understand. Like, yes, I only sent it back and I said, oh, there was only a problem with the one image, but there was also the problem with this as well. I just didn't say it, but we could have looked and saw it, but it's okay. Actually, I had one more thing for you, Habib. I just reminded myself. So if I go back into here, right, this category page that you worked on. Let me go to the site.
Yeah.
Right, so this looks good. This top section, this looks fine. And then we get here, right? And there's only this.
Yeah. Finally, we decide that the design will be same, almost showing and with the same design. So I assign it actually because I already shared with you also with Tom that the query loop not working together because you know, if we want to use the same design, then we need to use minimum 5 queries, so it's not working together. So I keep it same. And I also told you guys that if there is anyone to fix the problem, then I have no problem. It would be best because I want good for the agency, you know. So
yeah, I understand. Okay. I remember we were talking about it with Sharab as well, right? I think it was me, you, and Sharab were in a meeting for something. I don't remember what. But there, like, you could do a query loop and put in a specific index, right?
yeah.
So, for example, this would be index 0. This could be like the first query loop. And then this could be a query loop here, this 4. And this could be like, you know, index 1 to 3. Right? And then that would be the same here. Be like,
for these two, we need to take one query loop, and for right side, the right side picture, we need to take one query loop, you know. So for this 3 section, we need to take 5 query.
yeah. I mean, do you want to try it? I mean, we can't leave it like this is the point, right? This does not look good. This looks fine here.
I know. This is not looking not good, but what to do right now?
So you're saying you can't do 5 query loops, or you can?
Actually, it's true that I have tried many times, without
Yeah.
start
All right. All right.
timer, but
Okay.
I was unable,
Okay. All right. All right. I understand. I understand. That's fine.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. I'll ask Sharab to look at it later then. All right. Cool. All right. I would say we're done in this meeting then. We can get out of here.
All right. Have a good day, guys.
Yep. Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Yep.
Yeah. Bye bye.